Hi everyone, today I'd like to explore the black keys with you based off of the key of G flat or F sharp, however you'd want to look at it. So in this key, 1, 2, major third, 4, which is our white note B, 5, major 6, major 7, and 1. So in this key of G flat, we have F as our major 7, we have B as our 4. Other than that, we have all black keys. So we can look for patterns to do like this. Right? Putting our fingers on these 3 and putting our thumb on the major 7 gives us a nice little spot. And we can move our thumb down and explore these 3 keys along with these 3 keys. So break up the pattern. You don't have to just roll it in the same direction. The purpose is to break it up. So if I wanted to start moving around in my left hands, I'm going to start with our very simple chord changes. Our minor 6, our 4, and our 5, right? So if I'm keeping my fingers right here. I'm not even going to move my fingers off this pattern. And I can find so much variety. But now remember, we have our 2 white notes. Now, using them now, all of a sudden, after just playing on these notes, they sound like some exotic spices. Go in a grid time-wise too. Sometimes I'll hang on a chord and just explore it and let it build, because remember, we're kind of painting with sound. The idea is to put our hands in a place where we can make music that sounds good no matter kind of what we do, and to be rhythmic and percussive with it. Now I can reach up here. Notice how those 2 white notes actually appear on either end of these 3 black notes. And also, if we hold down these 2 white notes in the middle, our white notes are a little more spread on the outside, but little chromatic walks too. Now go hang out on the black keys, make some beautiful music, and I'll come back to you next time. Have fun.